How to fix update KB5065426 failed to install in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problems with September 2025 security update for Windows 11 24H2. The first method is install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page after clicking on the link. Find the file compatible with your system. For this, check your system type. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down and click on About. System type is x64-bit operating system and x64-based processor. This one is compatible with my system. Check yours and click on the respective download button. Click on both the links. Let the download complete. Once downloaded, go to the File Explorer, Downloads folder, right click on the file having KB5055426, select Open, click on Yes. After the package is copied to Windows Update Cache, you will have to restart the computer. After a couple of restarts, the update will be installed. After this update is installed, do the same with this file. Right click on this file and select Open and follow the on-screen instructions. If this update is not being installed, then there is no need to worry about. It might be installed earlier. The next method is fixed installation using Windows Update. Click on Start, select Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Recovery. This is fixed problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. Check this box and click on OK. After clicking on OK, the system will start checking for updates. A repair version of Windows 11 24H2 will be downloaded here. After the downloading is completed, restart your computer. The repair version will be installed, including the security update. If the issue still persists, then run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to the video description and click on the link to the legacy version of the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This troubleshooter is more effective than the current version of Get Help app. After clicking on the link in the video description, a zip file will be downloaded. Go to the downloads folder after the downloading is completed. For this, click on File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Select Downloads. Right click on the zip file just downloaded. Select Extract All. Click on Extract. Browse the folder here. Right click on the troubleshooter file and select Open. Over here, click on the advanced link. Click on Run as Administrator. Select Windows Update. Click on Next. Follow the recommendations given on the troubleshooter. Once completed, close the troubleshooter and try to install the update. If any error is still occurring, reset Windows Update components. For this, open the command prompt, click on Search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run each line of commands separately. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Copy the third line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Do you want to continue this operation? Type Y and press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running these commands, close the programs and restart your computer. Then check for updates and try to install it. If any error still occurs, then modify services. Click on search, type services, click on services, go to the Windows Update service, right click on this service, select properties, make sure that the startup type is automatic and the service is running. If the startup type is not automatic, click on this drop down and select automatic. And if the service status is stopped, then click on start. Click on apply, click on OK. Right click on Windows Update and select restart. Then look for app readiness service. This one, right click on this service, select properties, make sure that startup type is automatic. Also in this service, if the service status is stopped, click on start, click on apply, click on OK. Right click on app readiness and select restart. Then look for background intelligent transfer service. Right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic if it is not, and click on start if the service is stopped. Click on apply, click on OK. In the end, look for cryptographic services. Right click on this service, select properties, make sure that the startup type is automatic and the service status is running. Nothing is needed here. Everything is fine. So I am clicking on OK. If anything is needed, change on your system. Right click on cryptographic services, select restart. Close the services window and then check for updates. The next method is run system files checker and DISM tools. Click on search, type CMD. For command prompt, select run as administrator. Copy the SFC SCANNOW command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the DISM Restorehealth command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Close the command prompt, close all other running programs, restart your computer and then install the security update. If any methods don't work, then perform in place upgrade. Launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on download Windows 11, scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select download, select this option. This option is Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. If you are having ARM64 based devices, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Select the product language. Check the product language of your system. Click on start, settings. Go to time and language. Select language and region. Windows display language is English United States. Here click on choose one and select English United States. Click on confirm. Then click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Right click on the ISO file. Select mount. Click on open. Right click on setup.exe. Select open. And check this box. This option takes much more time. So uncheck it and click on next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on accept. Click on install. Let the installation complete. Your computer will restart multiple times and the security update will be installed along with. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.